Hey guys, so this is gonna be a even quicker video. I just gonna show what I did with this SGH-F250. So I basically swapped the motherboards with another motherboard that had a layer around of another F250, but this time it's actually unlocked now. So it has now the original Samsung animations, not the Claro one. So this is actually pretty nice. I was I was really nervous while changed the motherboard because I was super scared to rip the flex band, but everything went well. And now I have an unlocked Samsung SGH-F250 with the fan club animations. And also that means I can use any SIM card on this one, even though it doesn't even need one to power on. So that was the quick video, and so I hope you guys like it, and